ये वीडियो देखें.
And the court order requires family members, his sisters, to visit him once a week. You've denied him, you've denied the family this access.
There is a legal proceeding which says that Imran Khan is a criminal who has
Does that mean that you deny him his basic human rights? Does that mean that you deny him the basic rights as a political prisoner? Does that mean that you deny him basic rights? Because you can't answer a basic question about why the family members were denied access.
Because whenever Imran Khan's party leaders go inside, meet him, they come out.
I'm asking about his family members. I'm asking about his
family members are all his family. There is no distinction between politicians and Imran Khan's family member. Unfortunately, all his sisters are passing.
Why is the UN concerned about Imran Khan's welfare? Why is the independent Pakistani Human Rights Commission concerned about Imran Khan's welfare?
The United Nations also says that Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan is a terrorist outfit and it must be banned, while you see Imran Khan supporting that banned terrorist outfit. Now let me finish.
There's a lot of whataboutism, sir. You're not answering the basic questions about why Imran Khan has been denied basic rights as a prisoner.
He is not denied basic rights as a prisoner.
He wasn't given access to his family members. He wasn't given access to his doctors. He wasn't given access to legal counsel. And if the court requires them to meet him once a week, you have to allow that. It's not a question of how many times. There is a court order.